buyers of 62 Mccain Court. We wanted to let you know what a special house you are buying.
Our family has had so many special times here. The house is right next to the nature center where we would go on family hikes. It is so beautiful and peaceful.
I love going to the farm around the corner where we pick vegetables.
This house is big and has a lot of room to run around, but it always feels homey. I love it when my daddy can stay home and do work in his office. We are always in the family room, watching movies, cuddling on the couch, hanging out with our family, and laughing and playing. We can have big parties in this room. This kitchen is the best place to make slime.
I do my homework in the kitchen while my mom prepares dinner.
I love helping to cook in this kitchen.
Having all our family here for the holidays is so special.
Mom and Dad's room is so pretty and relaxing. It feels like we're on vacation when we're in it. Mom and Daddy's room is so big we can even practice dance and gymnastics in it. My room has a lot of space for all my things. My room is very bright and sunny.
I love having my bathroom in my room.
This basement is huge, so we can have a lot of friends over all the time.
We really hope you have so much fun and create as many wonderful memories as we have.
While we are excited to be moving to a new home, we are going to miss this house a whole lot.